Welcome to A+ Adventurers. On today's video, we are going to look at 12 cool camping gadgets you must have. It's time for a new adventure, so without further ado, let's go. Number 1. The KLYMIT EVERGLOW Light Tube. This inflatable outdoor lantern features a flexible and collapsible lightweight design that offers a variety of lighting options and packs down to a small size so you can take it on every outing. Its dimmable white LED light offers up to 270 lumens of illumination, making this outdoor light an excellent camping light, tent light, or hiking light for nighttime adventures. The flashlight is very easy to use. Powered by a USB input, this LED flashlight inflates and deflates quickly and easily. In addition, the dimmer switch easily controls the brightness for every lighting need. Simply inflate, plug in, and enjoy your camping lantern. Get outdoors with KLYMIT. Focus on enjoying your time outdoors with friends and family and spend less time worrying about your lightweight camping gear. Its price varies according to size and ranges between $19 and $39. Number 2. The JETBOIL Stash Stove Cooking System. Searching for the perfect camping spot can be a hungry job, especially if you get stuck lugging around heavy equipment everywhere. Fortunately, at A+ Adventurers, we have found the invention that will help you solve both problems. Introducing the JETBOIL Stash, the all-in-one backpack camping stove system with a 0.8-liter capacity. This cooktop uses a titanium burner with flow ring technology to cook your favorite food to perfection in nature. This marvel of technology weighs just 7.1 ounces. 40 ounces lighter than previous camping stove models because it's built with high-quality, lightweight components. The aluminum pot adheres firmly to its stand, ensuring a stable cooking station and reducing the chances of accidents or, God forbid, wasted food and water. This fantastic kit will allow you to enjoy a hot meal while enjoying the wonders of nature instead of munching on a snack bar. If the weather is cold, boiling a pot of water with this system will only take 2.5 minutes. JETBOIL has a variety of quick prep recipes and accessories to accompany it. When it's time for you to move, all the parts can be stored inside the pot, making it a compact, portable unit that you can slip into your bag and take to your next destination. The price on this is just $129. Number 3. The ZIPPO PARACORD. The American company ZIPPO manufactures not only legendary lighters, but also several exciting products such as the Surefire PARACORD. This wonderful gadget is a 50-foot-long cable with 8 strands encased in a unique fuel red ignition cord. Each centimeter provides around 30 seconds of burning time with which you can start up to 600 campfires. Although it can support a maximum weight of up to 550 pounds, the manufacturer does not recommend its use for rock climbing or descents. However, it can be very useful back at camp to use as a clothesline or as a substitute for a shoelace. The price is just $13. Number 4. The KODIAK Canvas One-Person Swag Tent. The KODIAK Canvas Tent is a highly personal, portable, and highly versatile tent with a revolutionary sleep system developed in Australia. Designed to dethrone the classic bedroll, it is ideal for any surface. It can be used on the floor, in the bed of a pickup, or a compatible crib. Like all KODIAK Canvas tents, it is made with the highest quality components. The swag is made with a premium 100% cotton Hydra shield and a tightly woven silicone canvas, making it waterproof yet breathable. It has high-quality zippers which are built to withstand heavy use. In addition, the floor is puncture resistant thanks to its 16-ounce vinyl. If you want to sleep looking at the stars, the screen mesh keeps mosquitoes and other bugs out. If it rains or the wind threatens your peace, simply close the lid and you will be completely protected. The swag is 6 feet 8 inches long and nearly 3 feet wide, providing plenty of room for a good night's rest, even for very large people. It includes a 2-inch thick foam mattress with a removable flannel cover. You can also add a sleeping bag, blankets, or a small pillow if you wish. The price on this guy is just $260. Number 5. The LIFESAVER JERRYCAN. This portable water purifier made in the shape of a jerry can is fantastic for tourists and gardeners. The manufacturer offers different models. For example, the 10,000 UF model provides a capacity of 650 gallons. It eliminates 99.9% of viruses and bacteria thanks to an activated carbon filter that helps eliminate foul odors and tastes. Each disc has a capacity of 132 gallons. The jerry can holds approximately 5 gallons of water and weighs about 9 pounds. If you want, you can get a shower head in the kit, which makes the purchase even more worthwhile. The price is just $331. Number 6. The MYLAR blanket. In the early 1950s, the American company DuPont created a material called MYLAR that turned out to be so versatile that it could be helpful in many applications, from improving packaging technology to developing the A7I spacesuit. That is why today we present to you the MYLAR blanket. Although the blanket comes in two colors, green and silver, the silver side will retain 90% of your body heat and the green side 65%. In addition to heat retention, the device offers windproof properties. The blanket measures 52 by 82 inches and is designed to be reused. A set of 5 blankets weighs just 1.6 ounces, so you can take them with you even on a long hike. The price is just $14. Number 7. The KODIAK Canvas Cabin Tents. You are going to love this next design. This canvas cabin tent is incredibly spacious and is designed to accommodate up to 6 people if you're traveling in a group, or just 2 with a huge double bed. This durable design can be used any time of the year thanks to its canvas shield that protects you from heavy rain, but will keep you warm and comfortable. Inside, it's framed with 1-inch thick galvanized steel tubing, and welded braces provide sturdiness. At the same time, quality zippers and vinyl flooring give the gazebo a rugged appearance. The tent is not designed for extreme winter. This tent is more suitable for family vacations or more relaxed camping. Due to its height of more than 7.5 feet on the ceiling and steep walls, you can easily walk while enjoying a beautiful view. All these thanks to a huge window protected by a security mesh that will allow you to make the most of fresh airflow. An optional luxury awning covers an area of 8 by 8.5 feet, large enough to set the table and enjoy a delicious family meal surrounded by nature. The price on this bad boy is just $599. Number 8. The THERMACELL Radius Zone Mosquito Repellent. Enough of killing mosquitoes on your arms or covering your skin with nasty sticky mosquito repellents. What would you think if I told you that you could stop mosquitoes before they attack you? We present the THERMACELL Radius Zone Mosquito Repellent. This thing will protect you from mosquitoes by creating an invisible and impenetrable protection zone. It is very easy to use. It has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and uses cartridges that contain a highly effective repellent that will keep mosquitoes away for hours. The lithium-ion battery powers an internal heater that activates the repellent. After a few minutes, the heat constantly releases the fresh repellent, creating a zone of protection against mosquitoes. The radio also features an automatic timer that will allow you to turn off your repeller after 120 minutes. To activate the timer, just double-click the button. You can expect 6 to 7 hours of use per charge. Replacement cartridges come in 12 and 40-hour packs. You won't have a problem with odor or an open flame, just an invisible mosquito protection zone. With THERMACELL Radius, you can say goodbye to sprays, and when you turn it on, say goodbye to mosquitoes. The price of this is just $40. Number 9. The ZOLEO Satellite Communicator. Meet ZOLEO, an innovative smartphone messaging system ideal for A+ adventurers just like you. ZOLEO connects with your phone via Bluetooth and allows you to send messages to your contacts using your phone number for messages or email without relying on cell coverage. ZOLEO also has its own messaging system. You can keep in touch if you share your ZOLEO number or email with your family and friends. ZOLEO uses the Iridium satellite network to keep users connected from the North Pole all the way to the South Pole. You can also send an SOS alert, a check-in message, or automatically share your location with your contacts if needed, all directly from the ZOLEO device or via the ZOLEO app on your phone. ZOLEO provides a unique messaging experience, automatic switching between satellite, cellular, and Wi-Fi connectivity. ZOLEO always chooses the lowest cost network. The price of this gadget is just $199. Number 10. The King Camp 2-Room Shower Tent. And who said camping has to be an uncomfortable and sticky experience? This 2-room portable shower tent features a freestanding design with fiberglass poles and vertical steel poles for added strength that will allow you to hang a water bag of up to 22 pounds. It is very easy to install and very convenient to use. The shower floor is made of mesh cloth, which is suitable for the water to flow. The removable rain cover made of polyester with polyurethane coating will protect you from the sun, rain, and of course, it will give you privacy. The tent features a large, easy-access zippered entry door with a mesh roof and side windows that maintain breathability and increase ventilation. You can use the second room as a dressing room, since the tent includes 2 interior pockets, 4 compartments for small objects, and 2 straps to hang clothes and towels. Access to the second multi-purpose room is internal and completely private. However, there are also windows if you want to enjoy the view while you get dressed. The price on this is just $149. Number 11. The Explorer Outdoor Lighter. Forget your fear of the rain. This waterproof lighter is your best option when you go camping, traveling, or hiking. Its sealed cover with a metal ring and locking closure prevents water from seeping inside. This perfect outdoor lighter features a USB charging port, is windproof, comfortable, and durable. Comes with a thick parachute cord for easy carrying during camping, hiking, or other outdoor activities. The cost on this is a cheap $15. And number 12, the MUZAN Wild Mini Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. MUZAN is a speaker designed for the outdoors, ready to go no matter the occasion, adventure, or weather conditions. The MUZAN Wild Mini Bluetooth speaker has a perfect touch of rugged, indestructible reliability with a remarkably bold sound for its size. MUZAN was launched by a group of sophisticated audio designers who have worked in audio technology for almost 40 years. Able to fit in the palm of your hand, this powerful Bluetooth speaker produces loud and clear sound. For maximum portability, you can strap it to a backpack, cooler, belt, tree branch, or even the handlebars of your bike. The price on this, $109. Links to the products are provided in the description below. Don't forget to tell us what your favorite gadget was in the comments. And of course, subscribe to stay up to date with more great gadgets. See you at the next one.